Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty berry look. I feel like berry shades are always really pretty for the holiday season. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, for this tutorial I'm using the Tartelette Toasted Palette. So first I'm dipping into cashmere and popping this in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. I use this brush all the time for my crease. It is my favorite. Now I'm dipping into cashmere and warmth and popping those in the crease. This is my favorite combo, honestly, from this palette. I never use this palette a lot and I really need to start because it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and I love how these colors went with the look. Like, I just love this look. Next I'm going in with cashmere, warmth, and cozy, and I'm popping this in the crease. Cozy really just added that nice red depth to the look that I wanted and needed for my very berry Christmas look. Do we like the really horrible pun? Very berry, very Merry Christmas. I'm really bad. Now I'm just going back in with cozy and really deepening up the crease. Again, still using my Morphe M441 brush. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M330 brush just to really smoke everything out. You guys know that I love this brush so much. I use it in literally every single tutorial. I'm really not sorry about that. So now I'm just going back in with cashmere, warmth, and cozy, and I'm taking a BH brush and I'm just putting this on the lower lash line just to really give my eyes a really nice smoky effect. So now I'm going in with my Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade Next to Note. I don't know how to spell it, or say it, but it will be linked down below. It's just this really gorgeous red berry shade. I really like it. I love the Stila Glitter and Glows. They're so pretty and so worth every single penny. I highly recommend them. I got that for Christmas last year, actually. Now I'm going in with this Ulta Dual Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm going in with the brown side because I didn't want it to be too harsh in the waterline. I thought it looked really pretty and just soft, but still smoky and all that. So now I'm just moving on to lashes. So I'm curling my lashes really quick, and then I'm going to prime my lashes with my L'Oreal Lash Primer. I love this stuff so much. Then once that dried, I went with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, which I have to throw away. It's so clumpy and gross. You can't let it sit for too long. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Another fave. I like this because it really just like fans out your lashes. So now I'm going to go finish off the rest of my face off camera. And then I'm going to be back for lips. Here I am. And for lips, I'm using the Catrice Aqua Ink and Gloss in the shade Burgundy Sunset Waves. I love these. I want more of them. I only have 2 shades. They're so comfortable. They're really gorgeous. They're very long lasting. But the one thing that I did that I shouldn't have done in this tutorial was I put chapstick on like way too soon. If that makes sense. Like, I should have put chapstick on before I started filming, and I put it on while I was filming, and it was kind of slippery. So if you get this, definitely apply chapstick, but add it like way before you start doing your makeup, if that makes sense. And this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.